So today I'm gonna be making an air cannon out of a kiwi coconut.
Yep, and I'm gonna help her if we need. So we're gonna do time lapse, and then we're gonna show what it does after. Looks like you hit targets and stuff, but I don't know.
So here's the time lapse.
Okay, this is the finished product of the air cannon. Here, do it far away so it's not camera trickery, this is real.
Now let's try this one again.
Yes.
It's like it shoots something, but it doesn't. It's just air.
Two in a row. And also, these are whiteboards on the back, so you can like do anything.
Yeah, it came with a whiteboard pen. Or dry erase marker, I mean. So, yep, that's it.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when the latest video comes out. And bye!